How to use AliExpress coins. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can use your AliExpress coins, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now coins are something that you collect over the time on AliExpress. The more you log in, right here you can see, if I open it up, right at the top left you'll find the coins option. You can collect daily coins by simply logging into your account, or the more you shop on AliExpress, the more your coins and bonus are going to increase here. Now also keep in mind, you can see I own 78 coins, which is worth US $0.78. So basically 1 coin equals to 1 cent, 100 coins equals to $1. Now you can use these coins for discount, and also remember that not all of the products that you see on AliExpress are eligible for discounts, by the way. Only the ones that they list here on this page you can see use coins for discounts. So let's say you would like to buy this little cap using a coin. It costs $0.99. So if you have got 0.99 cents, you should be able to buy this, keeping the shipping fee aside. So you can just go ahead and select that, tap the buy now option, and the coin discount will get automatically applied. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.